already?
I did.
Weird.
Yeah, weird like in those movies when the babysitter ends up getting her throat slit or something.
Nobody's gonna slit this throat. This is my throat. This isn't touch that beautiful throat with me. You know, what are you thinking? Now this is before.
Got the hiccups.
Yeah. Anyway. Plus we got John and Chelsea.